Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm solo. Watching reruns of the same shows. Almost every party I'm a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go. Never been sure, no I don't know.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing amazing. Let's jump into today's install and review because we got some explaining to do.
How does everybody has to let go of the real?
Let's give a warm welcome to today's hair sponsor, RPGHAIR. I don't want to confuse anybody today. I just want you guys to understand that there's another brand that is similar in name, but RPGHAIR is its own company and it's separate from the other brand that sounds like it. So with that being said, today I'm going to be installing this beautiful wig. This is a 20-inch 360-degree drawstring wig. So this wig can be worn in a ponytail. It can be worn in a natural style. You have lace all throughout. So 360 degree, you have lace. That means you can put the hair up like that and wear it in cute styles. The density is 180%. We have this beautiful wig. Okay, so what I like to do with the 360 lace is cut off that extra bit. Like usually where this string is, that's where the ear tab is going to be, so you can just cut off all of that extra lace. Just spray some lace tint on the lace there in the back so it can match with my neck, no problem. So now you can see it's cut here, it's cut here, and then it's also cut here. Okay, pulling the comb down, tucking it in. Oh, this hairline is so nice. This is a really beautiful wig. I just know it's gonna be perfect. Okay. She fits really nicely even like this. Like, doesn't even need to be secured down. You could definitely wear it like this. Okay, so that is really nice hairline. Like, magnificent job. I like to cut off my lace before I move forward. Some people like to cut their lace last. I'm not one of those girls. I'm gonna do my 1+1 hack, which is 1 layer of spray, 1 layer of glue. The spray is going everywhere. Actually, let's just do spray today. So when you're cutting the ear, you want to be sure that you're not going to cut into the lace to the string. So you have to be like very careful and know where you're cutting basically. Okay, so this side is done. I'm gonna come back when I have this side done and then we will go from there. We did secure the wig using the ebon spray. Find the drawstring, pull it, and then tuck it in after you scrunch it. You can feel that the back is getting tight. And then you take it and then you tuck it inside the wig cap. Okay, same thing, pull and then tuck it inside. Okay, and then you can see the back is now laying flush. Okay, so I'm gonna have to recurl this hair for sure because that's just what's gonna have to happen. So before we proceed, I'm gonna cut my sideburns down. For my sideburns, I like to curl under. Just don't burn yourself. It's very easy to. I feel like this wig will hold a really nice curl too, so I'm excited. I'm looking forward to that part. I'm going to be using some lace melt spray from my own wig line, Lace Lineage Hair. I hope you guys are following me on Instagram and TikTok, because I started posting my videos on TikTok, also on Instagram occasionally. I don't do it every single time, but sometimes I do. So if you don't follow me on TikTok because you don't have it, that is fine, girl. Follow me on Instagram. It's gonna be in the description box for you guys. And you can watch some of the TikTok collaborations that I do. You know that I don't post as often on here anymore. That's because I'm just busy in other places too. But I still love you guys over here, and you know, I'm never gonna forget where I came from, because this is where I started. And I've been going through a lot of changes over the last like year. And basically, you know, I'm just focusing on growing my social media platforms, not just, you know, YouTube. I wanna also focus on other platforms such as TikTok, Instagram. I've kind of neglected those for a really long time because my main focus has always been like YouTube. But you know, you gotta expand, girl, so that's what we're doing. So like I said, if you're not following me over there, go ahead and do so, because girl, we be having a lot of fun, and I have a lot more stuff planned that, you know, might not make its way to YouTube exclusively. Anyways, y'all, now I'm gonna curl the hair. I'm gonna come back once that's done, but this is what she's looking like. This lace is so beautiful. We don't need any baby hairs, so we're not gonna put any baby hairs, because why ruin a good thing, you know? I curled the hair off camera, and now I'm just gonna comb through it and then see what is giving. It's kind of blending in with my shirt. I think I want to change my top. Okay, so I did change my top, and I think this looks so much better because you can actually see the length, you can see the tones, you can see everything that you need to see. Could we put this hair in a ponytail? We can, and we should at least try, right? It is a 360 wig, so that is like one of the features about it. It's just gonna ruin my curls, but it's okay. Okay, so to be able to put it up, you can just take the hair. I'm gonna go for a lower ponytail. I don't want a high ponytail. Kind of pull the hairs out. So this is what it looks like. I spent so much time daydreaming, so now I don't know how I'm feeling. Don't know who's the real me. Might need my help, and I thought And yeah, you can wear the hair in a ponytail and it looks super cute. No baby hairs needed because the hairline is literally giving. It's giving, it looks so good. It's literally giving, that's your hair. And nobody can tell me differently. Like, maybe I can put some more spray here. As you can see, it just looks so natural. The lace itself needs a moment for itself because, girl, this lace was one of the best I've seen in all my years. It melts in like butter, okay? You don't need any lace tint. You can just put her on and it's gonna match your skin tone. Invisible lace. I love the lace. Like, oh, get into it. Beautiful wig, comfortable, soft. It smelled nice when you opened it up out of the package. It's just overall a 10 out of 10 experience. And I think you guys would definitely love to try this wig, so head over there and check them out. I'm gonna link it in the description box for you because it gets a 10 out of 10. Like, it's just beautiful. Like, no matter which way you put it, it's gonna feel soft, look good, feel good, and you're gonna feel good wearing it. I feel amazing. Like, I feel like $1 million. Anyways, guys, I gotta run. I'll catch you later in another video sometime soon. Bye.